This is our auto transfer switch. This is inverter. This inverter don't have automatic on switch, so we bypass the switch with this relay, and this relay connected with the 5 volt DC to keep it off condition, so the batteries will never discharge. So let's see how it's working. Now system is connected to the main electric is here in the normal power. You can see this one is connected to the normal power, okay, and inverter is in off condition. So once the power is gone, okay, did you see that is now switch to backup mode, and the inverter is automatically get on, okay. That is the purpose of this relay, to keep it on and off on this inverter. So when the normal power is back, okay, so now it is go to the normal power and inverter automatically get off. So very simple to build this trigger relay for on and off. So I show you how. Very simple. This is the inverter on off. You can connect the 2 wire onto an extension and take the 5-pin relay like that, okay, and connect onto the relay one that point which is normally open, and then connect to the common. And then this is the relay negative positive. You connect one diode, use a 12 volt charger or 5 volt mobile phone charger, connect to the AC source. One AC source is gone, automatically it will back to the on, okay. Here is I build like that. This is our output, and that is connected to the series to the switch of inverter, and relay negative positive you can connect with that 2 pin negative positive, and then you will have a output pin 1 and pin 2, okay. That will go to the that 2 wires which is you connected to the inverter. This is a 4-pin relay. Remember, this not gonna help you in that, okay. You need a relay which have a 5 pins. I use for this emergency light in my home also that system, so the inverter is always off, so batteries will never drain. And here is my relay system, okay, that is connected to the series with the switch of this inverter, okay. You can see the out pin is, the wire is coming out from this inverter. That is the on off wire. It go to the relay, okay, and that is connected to that adapter. Once I pull out this one, you can hear the sound. The light is also get off, okay. You see on. I take it out this one, and here is the inverter. Now I'm going to put back the, it's get off, it's get on. So the purpose of this one to use, because this is our main transfer switch, okay, this one. So once this is the main coming, and our charger which is connected, this one is for the inverter on off toggle switch through this relay which is in the middle hanging, okay. So the purpose was that battery should be never drained. This why I make this bypass switch, so you can make it. It's very easy and simple. And all these emergency lights will be also, this is our last DC backup, and here is our AC backup, okay. Once I'm going to put back this one, and you will hear the sound. It's get off. So that was the purpose. Thank you very much.